We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. This is from Curl Me Happy Hair Care. And it came in this pretty pink package. And it arrived very quickly, like the next day. The next day or two. But it came really quickly. So, let's see what we have inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside this pretty package. Okay, well, it's sealed really well. Okay. Aww. So look, I'll just sit this right here so you guys can look at it. Can you see it? Okay. Okay, so let's see what we have. It's packaged nicely. Okay, so for the pumpkin pie protein puree, it says creamy conditioner to strengthen and shine. Okay, and it says to apply to sections of wet hair, detangle, and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Sit under the dryer, then rinse. So let's see what it smells like. This smells so good. So this is like perfect for the fall time. Like, you know, everyone goes crazy over the pumpkin smells and pumpkin fragrances, everything fall time, Starbucks, everything. Like, you would love this. It smells so fallish, autumnish. That's not a word. It smells really good. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay, what do we have next? So next we have the blueberry cheesecake jelly cream. And I like to eat, so just hearing the name just makes me want to eat. So apply to slightly damp to wet hair to accentuate curls. Apply to sections of hair and allow to air dry. Should be used over a light leave-in conditioner for a softer hold if used on dry hair types. So, moisturizer and curl definer. So, I'll probably use this with my twist outs or braid outs. You guys, this smells so good. Like, all of them just smell so good. It smells so yummy. So I'm excited to try this as well. And then we also have the kiwi strawberry gelatin. So this is for curl definition. Apply to slightly damp to wet hair. Apply gelatin to sections of hair and allow to air dry. This smells like candy. I think everyone likes kiwi strawberry. It smells so good. It smells like candy. So all of them are, you know, like I said, I like anything that smells good, and they all smell amazing. So, and I like getting compliments on how my hair smells, and so that's another reason why I'm like really excited to try these products. So I will be back and I will let you know how everything goes. I do like Curl Me Happy. Like I said, the package was beautiful. It came in this pretty pink package. It arrived on time, and that's very important because when you get a product and you want to try it, you want it at that moment. So you don't want it to take days to get to you. So I'm really excited to try these products. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back to let you know how it went when I used my Curl Me Happy products. I really enjoyed them. So first, for the jelly cream, it did an amazing job. Like with my twist out, it was gorgeous, and it lasted a while, like the whole week. My curls were hydrated. I don't know, I was really pleased with it. And so I did it while my hair was wet, and I used the jelly cream, and I had used an oil with it, and it worked really well. Like I said, my curls were hydrated, they were pretty, my hair smelled good. Points for me. For the protein puree, I really like this. So when I put it in, my curls were really hydrated, and I know it's like a protein treatment, but I let it sit in for about 10-15 minutes. Sat under the dryer, did a really great job. So I was really pleased with this as well. And like I said, it does smell like pumpkin, so if you're like a pumpkin fan, you will love this. And then last but not least, we have the kiwi strawberry gelatin. And so with this, I think it works better for curlier hair types, but I don't want you to feel like you can't use it. So yeah, I did really enjoy it. So I was able to like slick my hair up. So it's a little old now, but earlier like it was like laid. But it did a really good job holding my hair throughout the day. What else did I like about it? Good hold, moisturizing, so my hair didn't get like too dry. And then I like, because it didn't leave white flakes in my hair. So you know, sometimes with gels it's like a hit or a miss. You don't want your hair to be flaky, and so I feel like this did a really good job with not leaving my hair white and having me nervous about what it's gonna look like once it dries. So like I said, I was pleased with all three. So make sure you go and order yours, and if you use the code TheCurlTakeover, you get 10% off of your order. Go you. And if you do use it, let me know how you like it, and let me know your results. Bye, you guys.